Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Bhumika from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today I am going to explain the topic of justifying strings using ljust, rjust and center. Python string. String alignment is frequently used in many day-to-day applications. Python in its language offers several functions that helps to align string. Also offers a way to add user-specified padding instead of blank space. These functions are str.ljust in the bracket s comma width fill character, str.rjust in the bracket s comma width fill character, str.center in the bracket s comma width. These functions are respectively left justify, right justify and center a string in a field of given width. They return a string that is at least with characters wide, created by padding strings with the character fill char. Default is a space until the given width on the right, left or both sides. The string is never truncated. Center. This function center aligns the string according to the width specified and fills remaining space of line with blank space if fill chr argument is not passed. Syntax of the center is center in the bracket len comma fill chr. Parameters. Len, the width of strings to expand it. Fill chr in the bracket of optional. The character to fill in remaining space. Return value. The resultant center aligned string expanding the given width. Here we can see the example of center and also the output. Second is ljust. This function left aligns the string according to the width specified and fills remaining space of line with blank space if fill chr argument is not passed. The syntax of ljust is ljust in the bracket len comma fill chr bracket close. Parameters. Len, the width of string to expand it. Fill chr optional. The character to fill in remaining space. Return value, the resultant left aligned string expanding the given width. And this is the example for ljust. The last one is rjust. This function right aligns the string according to the width specified and fills remaining space of line with blank space if fill chr argument is not passed. Syntax of rjust is rjust in the bracket len comma fill chr. Parameters. Len, the width of string to expand it. Fill chr. This is optional. The character to fill in remaining space. Return value, the resultant right aligned string expanding the given width. Here we can see the program for rjust and also the output. Strings in Python. Python has a built-in string class named str with many handy features. String literals can be enclosed by either double or single quotes, although single quotes are more commonly used. Backslash escapes work the usual way within both single and double quoted literals. Example n bar A. Double quoted string literal can contain single quotes without any fuse, and likewise single quoted string can contain double quotes. A string literal can span multiple lines, but there must be a backslash or at the end of each line to escape the new line. String literals inside tribe quotes are can span multiple lines of text. Characters in a string can be assessed using the standard syntax. And like Java and C++, Python uses zero-based indexing. So if is hello s in the bracket 1 is e. If the index is out of bounds for the string, Python raises an error. The Python style is to half if. The handy slice syntax also works to extract any substring from a string. The length in the bracket string functions returns the length of a string. The syntax and the length function actually work on any sequence type, strings, list, etc. Python tries to make its operations work consistently across different types. Python new don't use length as a variable name to avoid blocking out the length function. The plus operator can concatenate two strings. Notice in the code below that variables are not pre-declared, just assigned to them